By the way, I won the coin toss before you guys got here.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Have we ever lost a coin toss?
probably.
I think maybe the first time, but
Well, gee, with that record, don't you wish you named yourself Bears from Safe, and then you'd be winning the coin toss every week? Welcome to week 8 of the Connections Online Quiz League. Tonight we have a matchup of Safe from Bears playing the Taco Belly Rubs. Welcome to the teams. So Safe from Bears, you won the coin toss. Taco Belly Rubs, you will be going second. Safe from Bears have elected to go first in rounds 1 and 2. So Safe from Bears, which emoji would you like to play?
What are we thinking, team?
We just go.
unicorn. I don't think we've done unicorn first.
Yeah.
All right, unicorn, please.
The unicorn emoji or the horned horse. All right. You have 1 minute to tell me what connects these 4 clues. These will be picture clues. Your time starts now.
All right.
Okay.
So
A
bottle cap.
It's
Bottle
a.
cap. That's a candy.
It is a candy.
Candy.
DC. Should we get a next one?
We
Yeah,
do.
Next, please.
The mannequin.
Or a dummy. No, mannequin. Bottle
Dummy.
cap, mannequin.
Bottle cap and mannequin. I feel like I should know this.
I mean, mannequin is a
I
movie,
know.
isn't it? Or
Should we go?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Next, please.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
mannequin, cinnamon.
Bottle cap. Mannequin. Cinnamon. I need the last one. I can't make any connection.
No.
Same,
No.
All right. Next.
same rhythm scheme.
Ice bucket. Challenge. The
Challenges.
challenges.
Oh, they're
I
all-
see.
oh.
Yep. They're viral challenges.
Yeah, buzzing.
Yep.
All right.
Safe from Bears.
These are all viral challenges of various sorts.
Yes, enthusiastically said.
Ah.
These are all indeed viral challenges of
What on earth is the bottle cap challenge?
the ball cap challenge. Anyone on Taco Belly Rubs want to explain?
I don't know that one.
Don't know that one.
I
Is
just
that
assumed based on mannequin it was going to be mannequin challenges.
something with balancing something, maybe?
I think it's a removing thing because didn't like.
Oh, that's the thing where it's like they kick it
Oh,
and
yeah,
it goes
okay.
off the bottle. That's
Oh
right.
yeah, that's what that is.
right.
They
Yeah,
kick
remember-
the ball. I think
Remember
it's-
YouTube from 4 years ago?
No,
Mannequin challenge
I
has
try not to.
Watch it really watch it actually be like 12 months ago maybe.
Yeah,
Just because of how time
God.
works.
it's a 4 years, 2020 time.
That's right. So the ice bucket challenge is from 2014 for ALS. The
Mhm.
cinnamon challenge, you eat cinnamon and die or something.
Yeah.
What a challenge.
And the mannequin challenge, you freeze when Black Beatles plays. So well done to Safe from Bears on your first point, and Taco Belly Rubs. Which emoji would you like to play?
Let's do the cherry.
Cherry's emoji.
Great.
All right. You have 1 minute to tell me what connects these 4 clues. Your time starts now.
That is that Draco?
Oh,
In
it
Lyra?
might
Or is
I thought
some
Draco was a constellation.
Oh, never mind. Never mind. Forget what I said.
I don't know
Like-
the brightest star in this constellation, but it could be Polaris, but I don't think that's right.
Yeah,
I just don't know what it is.
isn't Polaris in the Big Dipper?
No,
Polaris is
that's
in
a
the-
We gotta
Canis
get another one.
Minor. But,
Okay, no, we get another
or
one.
Ursa Minor. Let's go next either way. Next.
That's
the
the
Balrog?
Balrog. That's a Balrog. Are these all?
It's like a dragon.
Well, it's like the big demony thing.
Yeah, but I don't know what.
So we have something Balrogs.
Let's go
and-
next
yeah.
either way. Next.
Honda.
Yeah. Oh, is this like a Street Fighter or something?
Yes, these are
Like
all
E Honda.
Yes. Because that's what the
Oh.
E is.
Okay.
Ranjani, would you say that?
These are all the names of Street Fighter characters.
That's exactly right for 2
Whew.
points.
Vega is that first one.
It is
Vega.
Vega.
Yeah.
Nice.
The with the
Yes,
yeah.
indeed. Vega is the brightest star. And what do we think we'll see fourth?
Sorry?
No. M and then American Buffalo.
Ice,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Or Bison. Bison.
M, American Buffalo, because we are looking at M, Bison, E,
Bison.
Balrog,
Mm.
and Vega.
Oh, I thought the monster in the Minds of Moria was Chun-Li.
That's a
Not
that's
maybe
the new
the
canon.
Amazon Prime version.
I see.
Yeah, I think that might be.
the Chun-Li,
Oh.
the Chun-Li the Gray.
That's only in the Peter Jackson version. Yeah.
Zack Snyder cut.
All right, so well done, Taco Belly Rubs. Off the mark with 2 points there. And we throw it back over to Safe from Bears for your choice of emoji.
You guys want to play with fire?
No, maybe.
Okay.
I don't know.
Innocuous aubergine, then, perhaps.
Yeah, aubergine, please.
All right, the aubergine or the eggplant emoji. You have 1 minute to tell me what connects these 4 clues. Your time starts now.
Oh boy. I don't know what a netter is, so let's see if we can get another clue this word.
Next, please.
Probably a word one. Riots times pest equals invent gut.
Okay, these look that looks like an anagram of something.
Yeah, words.
Um,
No clue.
Something plus step equals.
Boy, I don't have it.
Should we do one more?
Sure.
All right, next, please. Netter minus.
What the?
It's new? Excuse me? I need the last one, Eric. I'm completely
You think so?
lost. Yeah.
All right, next.
Racket times racket.
Seconds.
Buzzing.
Bears.
These are all great. Just great.
Well, I agree that these are all great. That's
All
not
right.
the
Oh, good.
answer.
Okay.
So I can throw it over to Taco Belly Rubs for your chance at a steal.
All right. What do we think? Invent gut, riots, pest,
Gut and vent are both
German.
words in other languages. I'm assuming there's something other languagey here or
Mushroom,
anagrammy, but
vent, mushroom.
I'm going to need to hear an answer.
No idea.
my answer is this was hard.
Also true, but not worth any points in this case.
Daniel, did you do this one? Are you to blame for this one?
I'm not to blame for this one. This is a Dave McBrien special. I don't know if this was even solved quickly enough in the hosts group or the question writing group. I'm going to reveal it, and then you'll see what's happening with these anagrams.
Oh.
Okay.
They're all French equations anagrammed into English.
People.
That's mean.
It is me.
And now.
Every single one.
Yeah.
I literally learned how to count to 20 in French today. That did not help me.
No.
I speak
doing-
French,
Oh
and
my
that
I've been
didn't
doing
help me.
Duolingo
No.
for 2 years.
Duolingo
Did
effort,
nothing.
so Go dead there.
This
Uh,
is the
I-
wrong
It's the
question.
hard French.
Why, when none of the hosts could answer it, did we keep this in the game and think it would be okay?
You know what? I can tell you the previous game I hosted this week, a team answered it for 5 points. So someone's
Yikes.
All right, well.
Note to self, one more
No
practice.
points to be awarded there, but I can throw a question of which emoji would you like to play?
Hang on, my
Please
dog
Taco
is
Belly
sleeping on the
Rubs.
buzzer. 1 second. Move, please. What a buzzer. Okay.
The dog wants to
Oh.
play.
Yeah.
There's not a rule
You should
set
ask the
for
dog
it,
which
right?
which one?
For
Which
us,
emoji?
you like peaches, right? Peaches.
H emoji.
Peaches sounds great.
Probably also likes fire. I'm not gonna ask for them.
You have 1 minute to tell me what connects these 4 clues from the peach emoji.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
That is the person who founded St. Louis.
So maybe founders of cities.
It's also the person who is the namesake of Pierre, North Dakota.
So,
So
it could
we
be
need
namesakes of
more
capitals.
to
Okay.
get
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
Next.
This is such a
please.
will question.
And that's
Nashville,
So
Nashville.
this
Yeah.
these are namesakes of state capitals.
These are indeed namesakes of state capitals for 3 points. Well recognized. Are
Thank you.
The fact
St.
that my
Louis
school is
native.
1 block
Yeah.
away from, we call him Shoto in St. Louis. That's not his actual name.
Is it not?
Because we can't speak French in St. Louis.
Can you
even
call his
though
first name
everything here
Perry?
is named after French names.
Not speaking French. Has that ever come up before?
Yeah, no.
Never.
No
never.
one
But I
here has
recognize
ever-
him immediately because of that.
That's the namesakes of capitals. The last 2 you would have seen Richard Montgomery for
Uh-huh.
Montgomery, Alabama.
yes, and Otto von Bismarck for
Bismarck, North Dakota.
North Dakota.
Otto's
Pierre,
still-
Pierre
yeah.
is
South
Dakota.
Dakota.
yes, but they should be one anyway.
But also Pierre,
there's
they
that
can't
one
pronounce his
single
name either,
Dakota.
so it's okay.
Pierre Shadow.
One Dakota to rule them all. And then the
Shut
dolphins
up.
find them.
Points to be awarded for Taco Belly rubs there. And we throw the last choice of the round over to Safe from Bears.
Rainbow or fuego, guys. Rainbow
I
or
want to
fuego.
do it, but I want to do it.
Yeah, fuego, please.
Yeah.
Playing with fire, indeed. You have 1 minute to tell me what connects these 4 clues. Your time starts now.
Still one. Yes.
I mean, we don't have enough.
Go
here.
on. No.
Next, please.
Mm-hmm.
Still,
A still one. A glass.
oh, I think one is like it. Man, this is a rough round for us. Sam, you got anything?
I'm thinking
No.
Glasgow. Is Glasgow, is there a way that we can swish that in there? But
No.
no.
Next, please.
Yeah.
What the?
Jeez, was this like Philip Glass, a part, polyphonic spree? What's going on here?
Yeah. What?
So we do need another. We do need the last.
Next, please.
Seconds.
Excuse me? Like
4, 3.
Oh, then guys, something.
Hmm.
Bears.
These are, let's say, these are all composers, and then the names of symphonies they wrote.
Their first one.
Their first symphony.
That is exactly right. With nothing there, you dug something out of
Oh, the Low
beside you. Well
the
done.
Low Symphony is based on the Bowie album. I should have known that.
So we're looking at William Grant Still's first symphony, Philip Glass, Arvo Part, and Sergei Prokofiev. So for 1 point, well done. Digging that out of nowhere, seemingly. All right, and we throw the final question of the round over to Taco Belly Rubs. You'll get the rainbow question. I hope your dog likes rainbows as much as it likes
She
cherries.
can't see colors.
It still looks nice. I don't think yeah, all right. Well,
Just
you,
doing yellow. You didn't hear that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
you have 1 minute to tell me what connects these 4 clues. Your time starts now.
Don't know.
I don't know who
No,
that
no
is.
either.
I don't know if that's an anagram or anything. Let's go next, please.
Dean Winchester.
Okay,
That's
so
Supernatural.
right.
No, times they've died.
Oh, definitely possible.
People in times they've. I don't know who Teresa.
Did he
Gelman
die
is.
112
Does-
times? Really?
Does he die?
He definitely dies at least once. I don't. It might not be. It might not be
So what
112
about that
times.
unheard love?
Let's see if there's
maybe the
another one
number of
because he could have
episodes
done a
he ran
bunch
or
of other
something
things,
also.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get one more, please. Next. Yes, for sure.
Oh,
That's from
nice. Yeah.
Groundhog Day. The last one's gonna be Kenny, and it's gonna be 1,000,000 times, right?
Okay,
or
okay.
like infinite
Do it.
times, I think.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, these are fictional characters and the amount of times they've died.
That is indeed correct for 2 points. Fictional characters and the number of times they've died. You said last one would be Kenny. Of course, you're right. It's going to be Kenny from South Park. Is that a South Park behind you?
No, it's not. Those are
Is that Steven Universe?
Justice League characters
right.
as kindergartners.
Oh, great. So 2 points to be awarded there. Do you want to guess how many times Kenny McCormick has died in South Park? Anyone?
203.
5.
I'm gonna say it's much less than that.
I think it is less than that. I
I'd
would
say it's like 92.
I think that's a pretty good guess. I like 120-ish.
120-ish is remarkably close. 126 times. Anyone recognize Teresa Gelman from the top?
Mm-mm.
No, I can't say
No,
that.
no one a fan of recent horror films, Happy Death Day and Happy Death Day to You. That is
Ah.
Bree Gelman in those movies. She dies a bunch of times in a similar way to Phil Connors because the day keeps repeating, but it's a little more gruesome. Well, you could
I've
argue.
seen the trailer to it, but I haven't seen the movie itself.
I saw the first one. It was fine.
Yeah.
I
It was
don't know.
That
Bringing
ends
endorsement
our
for Happy
review hour here on the Connections Online Quiz League. We can now go to round 2, where the scores are set currently at Taco Belly Rub 7, Safe
God.
from
Oh
Bears
God, what's happening?
2.
What's happening?
So Safe from Bears, you get the first choice of the second round.
All right.
What was the one that killed us last time? Was it the aubergine?
All of
Do
them?
that again. Let's do that.
Aubergine, please.
All right, the
I hope
aubergine
it's more French anagrams.
question. You have 1 minute to tell me what comes fourth in the sequence this time. Your time starts now.
Ah, who is that? I don't know who that is. It's probably one of the gods.
I don't know. Sam,
Let's
do you
get
know?
another.
I don't know.
Next, please.
Mortal turned into a heifer.
Io. That was Io, wasn't it?
Is that Io? Okay.
Yeah, guarded by the peacock.
Okay. Okay, so are these going to be like the Galilean moons? In which case, what's the sequence?
Or moon.
So it would be in size. So we might have. Is that Europa is the mother of King Minos?
Could
Probably. So
I
what's
would
the
need
smallest?
I would need another to eliminate Ganymede.
Fair enough.
You know.
Yeah. Next, please.
Okay, so the last one would be Ganymede. So we would be like the cupbearer that Zeus likes to,
All right, go for it.
kiss lovingly.
Bears?
The cupbearer to Zeus,
Cupbearer to the gods is exactly what we're looking
Nice.
for.
Nice.
Elucidate
and that's all he
that.
does. That's the only thing he does for Zeus is bear cups.
Hi.
The
And by
only
bear
thing.
cups, he-
Indeed. There are some other things, I suppose, mythologically we could have referenced there, but we chose to reference only
Thank you.
cupbearer.
for that.
Yes.
And the rest of the gods, yeah, indeed, we were looking at the Galilean moons increasing in size. They also happen to be the 4 largest moons of Jupiter.
Mhm.
Yes, you correctly identified Io there, well done, and then retroactively identified Europa,
Yeah.
Calypso, and Ganymede. So 2 points there to start the second round.
We'll take him.
Take
Nice
from
job.
there.
doubled our score.
Now, taco belly rubs. Which emoji would you like to play?
How about a unicorn?
Oh, love it.
All right, the unicorn emoji. You have 1 minute to tell me what comes forth in this sequence. Your time starts now.
Z, ounces.
It's ounces, it's OZ. It could be a letter before it, like bounces or anything else that goes before
Yeah,
it. Let's go
let's-
next.
TV horseman. So OZ, Oz, TV
I don't
horseman.
know. Is there RZ or MZ? That
Who rides
no,
horses
I
on TV?
Dothraki.
Is this like a gun? Oh, okay, but I don't know how to work that in. But okay, all right.
let's go next.
Yeah.
Next, please. Fairview.
What is? Okay. Shoot. Okay.
Okay.
Gunsmoke. OZ.
10 seconds.
I don't know what Fairview
What is
is.
Fairview?
15, 14.
1. Tacos.
I'm gonna. I don't. Dead End Drive.
Dead End Drive would not be an acceptable answer, so I can throw it over to Safe from
I don't
Bear.
have an answer.
So I'm pretty sure Fairview was the city from Desperate Housewives, but I can't make a connection here. I don't know what's going on.
All right.
Also
Uh,
need
we'll
to-
say Wisteria Lane.
Wisteria Lane, also not what we're looking for.
Ah.
This was a
I was
word
also hung
one.
up on like ounces is also like a
Mhm.
Shakespearean term for like a panther. So I was like, what's going on here?
This is a wordy one. I'm going to show you the reveal.
Great.
And so you guys can figure out what's
Also in French.
going on here. Not a French word one.
Oh, it's 1,
Yeah.
3, 5, and
7.
Oh,
So what's happening is
Wow.
odd numbers
Wow.
spell out odd numbers.
not gonna be there for me.
Wordplay
am
and
not good
numbers
at those.
Not our forte this week, but that's all right. So we can now go
Yeah,
to
I didn't know I was looking for that.
the Safe from Bears. You have the next choice of emoji.
Get back to that cherry. I want that cherry business.
All right. Innocuous cherry, please.
All right, the cherry. You have 1 minute to tell me what comes forth in this sequence. Your time starts now.
6 hidden. Okay.
Keep going. If this is another word one, my God.
Next, please.
Enact.
All right. So the numbers are cutting in half.
Mhm.
Although we go to 9 and then 4.5,
Which is hilarious. Yeah. So let's get another.
next, please.
Man,
Well, that throws all that out.
Yeah.
Hidden
So
inactive.
36 would be a 6x6. 18 would be, no, 3x6. No, that doesn't work. What?
Mm.
Just had to have that cherry.
10 seconds.
Hidden, inactive, new.
Oh,
In. No. No.
Oh,
Bears.
6 old.
6 old is not what we are looking for, so I
Alright.
can throw it over to the tacos.
It's got to be a word puzzle thing, but I can't figure it out.
I don't think it is. I think I bet it's like
Or
a
elements?
set that is 36.
No, elements. It's the names of elements.
Oh, wait, so
Right?
then what's
So are these noble gases? So what's helium? Like the sun? Can we do that?
Yeah,
helium is
to,
2.
it's to the sun.
Yeah, to the
Okay.
sun. Yeah.
Yeah, to sun.
2 sun is exactly what
Yes!
we
Wow.
Okay.
Cool.
It was
Sick.
10.
Cool.
It was 10 neon. The rest I couldn't really figure out.
Or,
right.
it's-
Neon, these
Then
are the
argon
elements of the
is
noble
18, right?
gases.
Krypton.
Okay.
Yeah.
Krypton and argon, yes. Well,
Nice.
Wow.
argon named that because it didn't react with anything when they discovered it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was trying to like add the numbers, like multiply them. I was like 3 times 6 is 18, and like I was trying to like do
I was
some
stuck
weird thing
on like
that.
18 inert, and I was thinking inert.
Inert probably helped you figure out that these were noble gases because noble gases are all inert. So Taco Belly rubs with a stolen point, and now your own choice of emoji.
Flames on the
That
side of my
fire.
face.
Yes, heaving breath. That's heaving breath.
All right, the fire emoji. You have 1 minute to tell me what comes forth in this sequence. Your time starts now.
Oh, great.
One dick. Could be a lot of different things.
Yeah.
Dick, see Dick run.
Let's go next.
Yeah. Nine, Joe.
So wait, George Bush's vice president is Dick Cheney. Obama's vice president is Joe.
Joe Biden.
Biden,
But what's the
but I
1 and
don't-
the 9?
I don't know. They weren't inaugurated in that year.
Were they? 2001,
Yeah, they were.
2009.
They were.
Yeah, because January 2009 would have been when.
Oh,
Obama was
okay. So then
inaugurated.
the next one will be Pence, and then the next one will be.
Yeah,
uh,
Pence
Harris.
17, Pence 17, and then Harris 21. 21 Harris, my bad.
Okay, so 21 Harris, or maybe even one
Or, no,
Harris.
Kamala, 21 Kamala. It's
Yeah,
the first name.
yeah, you're right.
Oh, yeah,
so
names, yeah.
so
21
21 or 1 Kamala, depending on how
Yeah.
they.
Bears?
Oh.
Oh, no, excuse me. The Bears.
No,
I-
that's
I was-
sorry. That's me clicking incorrectly.
Okay.
I was trying to buzz in when you did that though. So.
All right, that's
Oh.
fine.
Yeah, it's me clicking incorrectly. Sorry.
Plenty
Yeah,
of
sorry.
time.
This is me clicking to say it's 21 Kamala.
21 Kamala is exactly the answer we're looking for, and if you correctly predicted 17 Mike would come next. Yes, these are the last 4 U.S. vice presidents. So for 3 points, answer.
That was a good call on Dick Cheney just out of nowhere.
Yeah,
I-
seriously.
When I hear Dick, the first thing I think is Richard Nixon,
Is
and the next
it?
one is
Is
Dick
it?
Cheney in that order. So
That's what I think of.
All right, so 3 points to be awarded there for Taco Belly Rubs. Well done. And we go to the final choice of the round is for you, Safe from Bears. Will it be the rainbow or the peach?
Sam, what do you think?
Peach. Why the hell not?
Yeah.
Peach it is.
Peach, why the hell not? A mantra we can all live by. You have 1 minute to tell me what comes forth in this sequence. Your time starts now.
What?
Egads.
Okay.
Next,
Go
please.
on.
What's the connection between astronaut and JFK through David Bowie?
Okay.
What the hell?
Heroes. They're okay. They're both musicians. Are we looking at
Mm-hmm.
for song titles?
Yeah.
Should we just keep going?
Mm-hmm.
Next, please.
So these,
Tremors is a movie with Kevin.
Are these
Bacon in it.
literally degrees of separations?
It
Degrees
is.
of separation from
It is.
from Kevin Spacey.
Oh, 0 Kevin Bacon.
What's his name? Kevin Bacon? Yeah.
3 seconds.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bears?
So 0 Kevin Bacon.
0 Kevin Bacon is exactly what we.
Oh, this is so quizzy. Ugh.
Yes, these are all, as you noticed, musical artists, but they also are actors who are in movies with people in movies with Kevin Bacon. although someone who's not in a movie with Kevin Bacon, but is still 0 degrees of separation away from Kevin Bacon, is Kevin Bacon. So yes, these are increasing Bacon numbers for
numbers.
2 points answered there. Safe from Bears, well done. And the final question of the round goes to Taco Belly Rubs. It'll be the rainbow
again.
question. You have 1 minute. You may have noticed you haven't had a picture question yet, so I'm going to hear what the 4th picture will be in this question, in this round. So you have 1 minute. Tell me what comes 4th. Your time starts now.
Oh, Jesus.
No idea.
Yarn baby.
Is it a yarn? Okay, I thought it was like a circulatory
Yarn.
system.
Maybe.
Let's go next.
Like, yeah. Sorry, yarn bombing.
Next. Oh, there you go. Sorry.
That
don't know who that is.
Oh, I should know this.
Is that one of the Kardashians?
I
No.
don't think so.
Not Kylie, but the
No.
other one? Okay.
No, someone else.
Next, please.
That's Netanyahu.
Are you sure that's Netanyahu and not Ariel Sharon?
That's not Netanyahu.
I think it's Ariel Sharon.
You sure? Oh, maybe these are all Ariels? I don't know.
Oh, did you mean to buzz in?
No, sorry. Oops. Hit.
I'm sorry, I have to press you for an answer.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was trying to scroll.
Let's go with Bell, or a picture of a bell.
A picture of a bell is not what comes forth in
Sorry,
the
guys.
sequence.
It's
I
okay.
I can throw it over to Safe from Bears. Your chance for a steal.
So I think the second woman might be Bibi Rexha.
So it doesn't really look like Bibi Netanyahu, but I mean, maybe Baba, Bebe, Bibi.
So Bebe, BB,
Or
and so
Bobo?
then we're going for a Bobo? Like
Yeah,
Mr.
Bobo.
Mr.
Yeah,
Burns-
Mr. Burns' bear? Yeah, let's say that.
sure. Yeah.
Mr. Burns' teddy bear.
Mr. Burns' teddy bear Bobo.
Mr. Burns' teddy bear would be an acceptable answer. Why is
It
that?
is Bibby.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It's a bad picture, Bibi Netanyahu, but yeah.
It is Bibi Netanyahu.
That's
We-
Baba, Bebe, and Bibby.
Oh, nice. You got
Wait, so
the.
what is the first thing?
What anyone
Terrifying.
figure it out?
It's
No.
a Baba Yaga.
It is the Baba Yaga.
Oh.
Oh,
More recent
okay.
horror film knowledge here. That's the Baba Yaga like poster from the 2020
I
movie.
should have known BB Ray.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, and then Bibi Rexha, another Albanian singer mentioned on our in our quiz, and then yeah, Bibi Netanyahu vaguely looks like Ariel Sharon, and the Bobo.
I did not think. I still don't think it looks like Netanyahu. That was not a picture that.
I only know because I've seen his face like
Still in there
a lot
by
with all the
Jason
elections stuff going on.
Netanyahu when he hasn't slept in a couple of
Yeah.
days.
Yeah.
All right, so that ends round 2 with the scores: Taco Belly Rubs 11, Safe from Bears 7. All right, you have 3 minutes. Your time starts now.
All right. So I see Wally stand out.
Yeah.
There's
Um,
Dolly Parton.
There's halves of pairs like Barnes and Noble and Oscar or Hammerstein.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Roger
it's-
is there.
Yeah.
there's piano, there's jazz.
There's also Bolero, which goes with an O. So Bolero and Pogo,
Okay.
Tango,
Tango.
and is there
Disco?
disco? Oh, and Limbo.
Yeah. That would make sense.
So what did I not do? Not Tang,
What's Saltarello? Could that be Saltarello?
not disc. It's possible. I've never heard of it, but it's definitely a thing.
Saltarello, maybe. Wally. Nice.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Wally and Eva. Ava. Does anything else go with like Eve or an Ava?
Not that I can think of.
Terminator wants Sarah Connor. Terminator's like the end of something. So Cusp, Terminator,
Oh yeah, those are both
Limb,
astrology
Glad-
things.
Okay, so
Is there anything else here that's astrology?
I would guess nice.
I don't know what those are for.
like joints or bones or
Yeah,
something.
the
right?
ends
Okay.
or something. Yeah. Or yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So now let's not click anything and wait.
And just talk. Yeah.
So Rosie is a robot from the Jetsons. So
The
is
Jetsons,
Wally.
yeah, Wally.
But that's all I got.
Is Jazz a robot from something?
Oh yeah, Jazz is a yes, it is. It's a transformer.
Okay. Okay, and then what about is
So I'm gonna click
Barn?
those 3 and wait.
okay.
Yeah.
Let's think about what the other set's gonna be.
So what?
Um,
Astaire, Hammerstein, like all, like so. Ginger Rogers, Fred Astaire. So that's a half of a pair, right? So that would work for me.
There's also a
Rogers, Hammerstein.
Fred. It
Is it
could be a
Fred
word
Henderson?
one. There's something inside it.
Barnes.
There's Bucky Barnes, who's the Winter Soldier.
Who's
Dolly
the other
Parton.
half? Yeah. But who does Dolly go with? If we
I
do
don't
that.
know.
So Dolly,
30 seconds.
like, do all their first names mean something? What about piano?
Yeah,
I think piano might be a robot, maybe. I'm gonna start trying robots.
Okay.
So it
No.
wasn't that one. Which one?
Barnes could be a robot.
Barnes. Okay, let's try. Which of the three do I pick?
Astaire. No. shoot.
Okay, and the wall has frozen. You get 2 points for the groups you found, but let's see if we resolve the grid, we can figure out what the other connections are. So what
Okay.
connects Saltarell, Tang, Pog, and Bowler, or Baller?
They-
You add an O.
Yes, and they all form. Are those all dances then?
They all form dances when
Yeah.
you add an well done. What about Terminator, Cusp, Disc, and Limb?
These are all sort of joints, cuffs, like skeletal
I don't know
connections.
where you find that for Terminator.
Okay.
Maybe Disc and Limb.
Isn't
What
there
we're
a-
looking for is
Okay.
visible features of the moon. So
Oh.
yeah,
So is that
Oh.
still
It was
astrology? Then you're-
astrology,
Shoot.
so the astronomy, I think you mean. The disc.
Yeah. Yes, and
the limb-
astrology. I'm sure deals with all of those things too.
That's true, probably true. So yeah, the disk is the visible surface of the moon. The lidge is the edge. The limb, excuse me, is the edge of the moon's disk. The cusp is either point of a crescent, and the terminator is the line between day and night on the moon. Now, what connects Barnes, Astaire, Parton, and Piano?
Hmm. Oh, they go with Rogers.
They go with
Oh,
Rogers.
okay,
It's
nice.
correct.
Steve Rogers.
About to ask you about the
Yeah.
press you, but
All
yes.
right, Kenny Rogers.
Kenny Rogers. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Ginger Rogers. Yeah.
So yes, Ginger Rogers, Fred Astaire, Kenny Rogers, and Dolly Parton.
And
We're looking at Renzo Piano and Richard Rogers, and then you
would-
named him earlier Bucky Barnes and Steve Rogers, Captain
Yeah.
America, Bucky and Steve. Only
Wow.
on Disney Plus. What about Rosie, Wall-E, Jazz, and Hammerstein?
they're all
These-
robots.
These are all fictional robots. Well done. So 3 points for the connections you found, and 2 points for the groups. Gives you a total of 5 points that round. Well done. Your time starts now.
Okay.
Hello, Wally.
All right.
Okay, so-
Oh, these are robots.
Well-
Terminator and Rosie and where's our other robot?
Pog is
Hammerstein.
okay. So you got Barnes and Noble, Rogers and Hammerstein. You
Ah,
got
Ginger and Astaire, or Rogers and Astaire,
yeah.
and
but the
Bowler.
fact- with the-
Oh, whatever. We have Limbo, we have Bolero, we have
Bolero.
Disco, and Pogo.
Tango.
Tango. There we go. Do Disco, Bolero, Tang, and Pogo.
Mhm.
Oh no, okay. The old. Oh, sorry. Dances. Disc, Limb, Bolero, Tang. What? Okay.
What's Saltarello? Is Saltarello a thing?
The old Saltarell.
It could very well be. All right, so you're on the cusp of something, and you're on the. Okay, so Hammerstein,
Mhm.
Parton, just both songwriters.
Stair. Renzo Piano. That's a architect. Rosie.
Hammerstein is the name of a ballroom. I don't know
Sure.
if any of the others are. What if let's try and
Oh,
find
robots. Where's our other robot?
Yeah, let's just try and find him.
Old Barnes.
Jazz, I don't know.
Saltarell.
Yeah, Jazz is a transformer.
Oh,
Yeah, but that's not it apparently. Yeah.
me-
Piano.
okay, just over a minute left.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Cups.
Jazz
Here.
dancer Jimmy Barnes.
And
Oh my God.
Tang. We got Jazz. We got Tang. We got Pog. We got Rosie.
Well, Jazz is a type of apple, but
Valera was a hat as well.
and a jacket, a little jacket.
Oh, jeez.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh man. Not our night.
Lakes,
Get your Barnes, like
I mean, famous duos like Barnes. and
Barnes Courtney, yeah. He is.
Yikes.
Jeez. Oh, that's fun.
We got.
Yeah.
I promise we've played this before. I promise we played this.
That's all right. It's a very difficult wall set
holy
by the
crap.
esteemed brilliant Frank Paul. So no points to be awarded for groups there. I can resolve the grid and we can see if we can figure out points for connections. So what connects Barnes, Astaire, Parton, and piano?
Are these Freds? Are they Freds? Who's Fred Barnes?
Not sure.
No answer? What are you going with?
Famous Freds.
These are not famous Freds. No, you were naming pairs earlier. These are all pairs, but they're specifically paired with people named Rogers. So Astaire and Ginger Rogers, Dolly Parton and Kenny Rogers. That's Bucky Barnes and Steve Rogers.
Yes.
And as you said, Renzo Piano and Richard Rogers, who we're looking at there. What connects Rosie, Wally, Jazz, and Hammerstein?
There are robots.
A few of them are robots. We'll say
These
they're
are all
robots.
fictional robots.
Okay,
Yes,
cool.
correct.
What is Hammerstein?
Hammerstein is from a British comic called 2000 AD.
Great.
Yes. What about Bowler or Bowler, Pog, Saltarell, and Tang?
Those have to be their
Oh.
dances
Something
missing.
O.
Missing.
Missing an O at the end.
That's exactly right. These are dances missing an O. Yes. You
Maybe
can't
not.
limb in that one, I think. And then what about disc, cusp, limb, and terminator?
Are these all just like ends of things? Like
They're not
They're like, and
ends of things. I don't know how you could attach that to disc. What we're
okay.
looking for here is visible features of the moon. So the
The
disc,
limb?
the surface of the moon, a limb is the edge of the moon's disk. The cusp is either point of a crescent, and then the terminator is the dividing line between day and night on the moon. So no points to be awarded for the groups, 2 points to be awarded for the connections you found. Safe from Bears have 9 points, and Taco Belly Rubs have 16 points. All right, your first subject is going to be TV shows with states in their titles. TV shows with states in their titles. Clue 1. Belly Rubs
Hawaii 5-0.
is correct. Clue 2. Belly Rubs,
Walker, Texas Ranger.
so correct. Clue 3. All right, I'm gonna blow that one dead. That is On Becoming a God in Central Florida.
Oh my God.
I knew it had to be Central Florida, but I was like,
Yeah.
what show says Central
Yeah.
Florida?
I was trying to say like NCIS, like broken up, like or something.
Yeah, Kirsten Dunst on Showtime. I've heard good things. All right, and clue 4. Bears,
Erie, Indiana.
Erie,
A
Indiana.
classic of my childhood.
Nice.
All right, your second subject is going to be things that are magic. Things that are magic. Clue 1.
The Gathering.
The Gathering.
Is correct. The minorest of possible.
Yeah.
Clue 2. Belly Rubs.
Irvin Johnson.
Irvin Johnson
Yeah.
and his team won their home opener today. Clue 3. Bears.
Every little thing she does.
Every little thing she does. Do you want to sing it?
Nice.
No.
All right. I should say when I talk about Irvin's team, the Dodgers won today. Not
No, okay. I don't want to sing it because it's Phil Collins and Phil Collins sucks.
Did
But we
we
can move
actually-
on.
And
It's the police,
But
dude.
the Tarzan
Isn't Phil
soundtrack.
Collins?
Dude,
Also,
dude.
the Blow does a great version of it.
and Clue
I don't know what's going on.
things that are magic. Bears.
Mike.
Mike.
Yeah.
Mike is magic. All right. Subject 3 is going to be a poet and one of their works. A poet and one of their works. Clue 1. Belly rubs.
Elizabeth Barrett Browning.
I wander lonely
Sorry,
as
that's
a
too
child.
long. I have to do another one there. I can throw it over to
Yep.
Bears.
It's Elizabeth Barrett Browning and Aurora Lee.
Lee. Yeah.
That is correct. Well done. Elizabeth Barrett Browning and
Oh,
Aurora
with the
Lee.
end. Okay.
All right. Clue 2. Bears.
Allen Ginsberg and Howl.
Allen Ginsberg and Howl is
I got
correct.
one, guys.
Clue 3. All right, I'm gonna buzz. Oh, Bears, you got in before me?
A.E. Houseman and a Shropshire Lad.
That's
Well done.
Damn.
Wow, good call.
just
I had A.E.
enough
Houseman. I was not getting
And clue 4. Bears.
Edgar Allan Poe and Annabelle Lee.
Well
Mm.
done. Yes, correct.
Nice job.
Well done.
All right, we go to the final 4 questions. They will all be people with countries in their names with the country replaced by its capital.
Oh, evil.
People with countries in their names with the country replaced by its capital. Clue 1.
Chad
Angelina
Krug-
Kroger.
Oh, it's Chad Kroger. Yep. Oh,
Correct.
Yes.
No.
Yes,
Nice
Chad
job.
Kroger.
Oh, yeah.
That's amazing.
Great musical references all throughout this quiz. Clue 2. Bears,
Amon Spike.
you got it right.
Hermione Granger.
Yeah, exactly.
3.
Belize O'Keefe.
Belize.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And clue 4. Bears.
Havana Gooding Jr.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Correct. Well done. And I'll update the scores to say that Safe from Bears finished with 18 points. Why did that add up right? You had 9.
It says
That's
17 on there. Should they have 18?
18.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That was weird. Somehow added 2 when I put 3. Finished with 18 points, but Taco Belly Rubs finished with 21 points.
Whew.
Congrats,
That was
both
close,
teams
y'all.
on
Great
a
guy.
very well played game.
I was really impressed with the poems. That was.
Yes, some excellent.
I'm an English teacher, and even I was like straining to think about.
dramatic
was
naming of
that's crazy.
golfers and some grumbling about French numbers. All you need in one.
If
So
you can't
Gohan
sound in French
calls-
without grumbling, like you're not Parisian.
Uh,
Well done, all teams. Thank you all for playing.
Lulu, say hi.
And-
oh,
Hello.
hello.
all right, everyone. Bye now.
Thanks,
Great.
everybody.
Nice
Super
Bye.
chunky today.
Thanks for the game, everybody.
Bye.